We are talking, yeah. I think a while now, you know, so. I kiss time. So.
Oh my god. Welcome guys. And we're back with a mukbang, rice mukbang.
Yes.
And we are starving. I'm hungry.
That's how you Mama give me fish.
Well, anyways, but as the title describes, it's a mukbang describing or telling you a story time of our first dates. Yeah, because the first one already kind of considered unofficial because I guess I don't know why considered unofficial. I don't know, but
No weird.
yeah. So our first date / the two of them we're gonna go through right now while having some nice pizza with some soda and a little sweet thing afterwards. Yeah, so
Continue.
so we're getting right into it. So this is an amazing 4 for 4 pizza. Well, a pepperoni, but a vegetarian.
Yeah, we have
Barbecue.
We have vegetarian Hawaiian.
It doesn't look like barbecue. It just look like it's a barbecue. This? Yeah. You know, them burn up everything. Either way, we're hungry.
Pizza.
We have go through.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're starting. So where do we start?
The thing.
Alright, so
So we can start
Oreen.
it?
Yeah. So Oreen. So how are we gonna start this?
Yeah, so one day we just decided to say, yeah man, a time if we will go out on a date. So
Oreen, wicked Regina. No, let me tell you no. Listen people. So me and Oreen, we were texting a little bit before, right? And we had a conversation. I love ice cream, so the conversation kind of like I wanted ice cream, all them stuff there, and he's like, "So wanna buy it for me?"
yeah, so I said I was going to buy her ice cream
And Carol, come.
and carry it go our house, but this house rat, no one stay over here that she want to go. She want to titivate of herself
That's right.
and go get ice cream.
That's right. Oh yeah, I was trying to finish it out of the house. Like, Carol comes to me. Why don't we go get it together? So yeah, I end up where we were going was walking distance from our church, so we just had it as a general location for us to meet, and then we walked go over to Pepperwood. But that's I just wanted the ice cream.
Pepperwood was our
Little spot.
little spot where we would go and you know, just have a vibe, but
In lockdown.
Pepperwood locked down now, so
Yeah, that vibe been done for.
yeah.
So excuse the breeze, but yeah, this is it's guys. It closed down. This was the first date location. Yeah, just get a little ice cream. I will walk the whole stretch, the whole entire stretch. Go yes, sir. Go back down here, sir. The whole stretch. Anyways, we want to go over there. That's the intention of getting ice cream. And I remember you were in this big blue ass, well not big blue ass, but a blue ass sweater with Mickey Mouse on it. And like in pants and sneakers. You know
I had a white polo shirt.
underneath it, yeah, I remember that. Mention by ice cream, I really never like ice cream but
I hated that.
I've slowly convinced them and converted him.
No,
So the first date it was really good. We just simply had ice cream and talk, and then Pepperwood had a good vibe. A lot of nice music was playing. It just created a good atmosphere for us to kind of be chill.
Right.
And we were really open with each other like that day. Like, Orion, tell them where you met me.
We should cry on the first date.
Yeah, we were really sharing some
I
emotional.
go deep into details in our life stories and all of these things,
Yeah.
which I won't share with you guys today.
Well, we really connected on that. And things went well for that. It's not anything much, we just sat and talked. And then we went to, after a while, we went to church after that. And no, we never went to church after that. After that, I was telling him, because Pepper was too expensive and he couldn't about all that.
I'm telling you all that, but just go there for the scene and the music.
And for the ice cream, actually, the ice cream.
Well, I never know the ice cream, so.
Yeah. So we walked down to this my favorite place to buy a fish and soup as well. But down to the food, I was like, no, so we now we plan that, sir. Oh, for reverse.
But it's not a winning combination.
So we did reverse and we didn't end up stop and go to the gas station. Yeah, or in the need for buying.
No, this one.
Or in the need for buy credit. So shop over give us one. And after that we went straight to church to do meeting. I was like, boy, at that point they must say, we are really Christian couple in the man. Right after that, church. When she meeting, the meeting was good after that.
Yeah, I mean, maybe backtracking a bit, maybe I forget the credit because I was going home and we never have the Wi-Fi at home at the time, so I need the credit to put on data in order to start this chatterbox. Yeah, so that's
I was expecting to say this little lovely thing over here. Chatterbox?
This is a lovely chatterbox over here. Yeah, so I needed so I needed the credit. Yeah.
Anywho, so we buy the credit, go to church after that. So that very evening, we kind of just decided since I just take the leave first and we make things official, yes.
Official.
Yeah, we won't say anytime, just me if you want, just me if not. But like everybody has a different speed what they go after and go with the comfortable. I was comfortable with Arian. It's not never given a vibe to make me feel hesitant with pursuing anything further with him. And I'm very much grateful with the decision I made, being confident with myself. What you look for the pizza?
The vegetarian monstrosity. I'm gonna try one.
Don't eat it. Anyways, so we went on from that and we were officially a couple. Yay! And then, so you want going to the first date or the second unofficial date? This boy I'm confused.
I'll be an unofficial date to have. How do you call it? 70? Yeah,
that
so.
is the boy.
So people, before someone plays, we have text, so we say, we are talking, I think a while now, you know, so I kiss time. So
Oh my god.
so we have say, when we go see her again now, because you know, anytime I see her again, big kiss, I go, boss. So when I'm with friend, he is a small time actor, so he was in this play and he invited us. So we buy 2 tickets and we decided to go. A group of us go. So fast tracking a bit, when we go at the play now, we did there watch a play go and do the intermission time.
But wait, we were there with a group of people from church as well, so they know. I mean, they know both of us there, but they were more close to Ori, you know.
So intermission time, like lock off and place get dark. So excuse me. So you know when we in the dark now, me do a little awkward thing.
Can I tell you?
It was like this. You ready?
One of them. Like and the one shoulder. One of them.
And the saw. Keep back a little bit.
One.
Then when you like off. See me here with me if you eat that thing.
I'm not. It's not continuing.
I look if anybody I look. See me here. Look again. Nobody now look. What's up?
No, right from my lip in the end.
Yeah, man, I'm a bit go. But it was so fast, like
I was so freaking shocked. I was like, what are you doing?
like I kissed that. Yeah, tell them what you do after.
Anyway, that was weird for me and awkward. I don't know if it was the same time when they did intermission. Then I knew we didn't know the straps. So much.
You know what we're gonna go now. You didn't tell me no. You got your phone now, you didn't know.
So, yeah, every intermission like go off, smoosh, like go off, smoosh. So that practically was, I was wondering if people them run with it, didn't see nothing, you know, I know, I wonder if them didn't know.
You know? If you were there, comment down below if you did see.
But anyways, the play was really good. It wasn't rubbish.
Yeah, that was a big a big part of the play. Rubbish.
That was one of the catchphrases there.
Yeah, the catchphrase. We're not saying the play was rubbish, it was just a catchphrase.
So After the play done now, routines and everything, it was nice. We end up deciding how we were downtown. And we were looking at the stuff and people in church at least.
So give us to give off.
So after that we decided that we were going to go to
Waterfront.
Yes. We walked out there as a group, right? A small chit chat, and I think everybody by that point I don't knew that we were together. They never knew prior to that.
All of us in the same age group, but they were just one particular lady.
Lord of His mercy that I was getting right to it. Go ahead, babe.
A married church sister. I won't call her name. I won't call her name, but she was here, so.
But the kind of whole group,
yeah, you talking vibe, so the whole group out here try to get rid of her. After when your husband come get you, when your husband come. So she said, no worry, my husband come get you for the waterfront. So we said, alright, well what now, man, I got waterfront. Reach the waterfront now. And then they can't see our husband. No. Our husband finally come.
And as you said, when they find a coffee, I had a coffee or something like that, and I bought like some sort of caffeine milk beverage, right? And at that point,
nice.
Yeah, I drank it, and at that point, Orrin was very comfortable with me, and it was like, I guess he was hugging me or something like that, and I ended up was feeding him some of it, at the time, everybody was like, okay, so, I'm true, I really think. And then I remember someone make a remark say, no sir, I want to fall in love or something like that. I miss my woman or something like that.
I think it was our tall friend. Oh, yourself.
So.
Yeah, to continue.
Yeah, so at that point, when she left and we had that little moment, we all sitting on a little part of the pier. And they're talking, and we kind of going off our own bubble, have our own conversation, and then somebody, but all the time are in mind, and it's so strange. Yeah, that's all of a sudden his mind, like he's asking if we can go down there so he could kiss me some more and food. Now that's gonna be awkward. If you walk away from the group, they're gonna be turning around and looking at us. It's gonna be awkward.
I wonder what we're gonna dark and do. Because if you know downtown waterfront at night, a little section away from the building, it gets dark. So I wonder what them gonna do in the dark.
You might wonder them gonna see it. So I was like, I'm not having that. I wasn't comfortable with PD and them something like at that point. So
yeah, broke her out. Ooh, excuse me, I broke her out.
No problem.
I am proud.
Move on, boy.
Would you like a piece of this time?
No. So yeah, I went at the point already, man, So when I talk, same way, good conversation, good vibes, crushing harder or falling harder or something I develop. And
deep in love, people. Bad to bad.
And at that point, after that now, cause we went we just bing bang all over the place for that day.
So.
Like after that now, we finally forgot to take a bus. But me living, everybody live mostly in the central region of church, but me live a little further down at that point. So it was kind of difficult for deciding, but we just decided to alright, we take a bus and then they would have walked and go down to where needed, because it's walking distance. So we got to church, and apparently a lot of people had like, it was a barbecue, so people had food at church and they wanted to go there, get some of the food and do that. So we got there now, and they have to find everybody in the man, because I never buy anything. I do nothing. Yes.
We left from church and go buy some KFC.
So we walked over there actually.
It was a marathon.
One by one, walk from Savannah Play Church, come down to Waterfront, so walk from Waterfront to the bus stop, walk from coming up on the bus to church to walk into KFC. So
and then from KFC
to my
to Sharika yard. One bag of walk up and down.
One bag walking up and down, but it was really worth it. I read.
So that is it, you see?
It don't finish. Disgusted.
Oh, continue.
Yeah, it's so finished. Like I just say, it's the first date, and not much gonna happen. Well, quite a bit happened, but like most of it's gonna involve us getting more to know each other, getting comfortable with each other, and finding out, if this is made for, you know, down the road, or probably.
I feel like then you should have put him in.
Yes.
If it's in the making, I'm not saying anything else.
Anyways, so yeah, we went to KFC, everybody buy them KFC, foolishness. A little more talking went, Orin come, and I mean Orin is like, it's like me and Orin did it together for at least 3 years by that point now, probably did get it for 3 weeks.
Curl up in a KFC?
Yes, well, and I need my well compatible and everything.
Mm-hmm. It was a vibe.
Yeah,
it was a good vibe. We were meant for each other from day one. From day one.
Okay, yeah, I'm like
we have to go do a how we met video as well.
Yeah, that's
for you guys. You know,
session I had requested one a long time.
It's a convert, no?
Yes, so yeah, after KFC, I was walking to my team. So at the time, I lived directly across from there. And don't bite yourself.
Give me some now.
Bite your ears.
Bite me.
Have my wig messing up. There's a big ass buckle in the fridge. Go pour yourself some.
Pour me some until you
This is some. I never said how much.
Not even large supper. You get this little bit of something. Give me some juice, man. Not too bad. Alright. See what you can?
Yeah, so we walked to my scheme. And then of course you guys know the drill. So anytime me and Orin get a moment for kiss, we're doing it. So we were walking ahead of the park, like legit with that
Four.
The boat.
It was a long distance and we were winning.
We were both.
So by the time we reached Shadika's driveway, they didn't know the corner yet. So we seized the opportunity.
The walkway, yeah, we're going to put a tree.
Walkway in a little darkness there, so.
Before we reach my gate, way before we reach my gate. So it was our bus. But no, so something they buck we up door.
One of them.
Two of them.
Yeah, them buck.
Two of them buck we man.
But you don't have to do it with
it was like we had really say our goodbyes and that we never know who to say it and stuff they never want to leave. But we know when you're not already, it's I just come here, boy. Yeah, so
yeah, I'm best believer, so she did.
You lie.
So she did.
Lie. I gave him a lovely
everything else she should know. So she did.
I gave him a lovely decent kiss goodnight. And we said goodnight.
Yeah, we said goodnight.
What happened after that? Because I was at home, obviously.
Yeah, so after we walk come out, walking into the scheme earlier, there was a car parked with 2 men. So when we come out now, we pass the vehicle and notice when we pass it, the man them go into the car and drive, go down the road and then they were U-turn and I come back up. Kill we them now, or thief them. You know what kind of thieves if people are come, go into them car, drive down the road and turn back, then just rob you. But anyways, them drive. Yeah, so as I was saying, we just dash to look past and make our way to the yard. Full stop. Story done, down the bed.
Wait, yeah guys, that was our first day, Thursday. So the first one was at Pepperwood, we just had ice cream and started emotional. We went to church afterwards, then got official. And after that we went to a play for a friend and a bunch of other little stops then where we had our first kisses. Exactly. So
yeah, and a word of advice to my fellow young men. Yeah, if you see a particular female you like, just
with good intentions, not because you want
with good intentions, no matter. Yeah, if you see a particular female you like, just approach her. Like you never know what can happen because I'm a shy person and look at me. So yeah, if you like a girl, just pursue her. Plain and simple.
I want to pursue her till you reach stalker mode.
Yeah, don't want to start nobody.
If she said no, she said no.
Yeah, just move on if she said no.
Yeah, tell her I said good girl, you know. When you babe say, you know, you wait.
Yeah.
No. So girl, so I said, good girl, yes, say no. Your belly big like a soul of your pride.
Motherfucker, your belly big like a swallow your pride. Me, carry me name for your foot button, you idiot.
Girl, we give me big up Dina.
Dina too crazy, big up yourself.
Anyways.
Love the video them use. Yeah,
So.
so that is it, you see? I can say that now, right? Yes.
So we have more of these coming for you guys. If you want more mukbangs, just comment down below. If you want more story times, comment down below.
Please.
Yeah, comment. We would like to talk to you guys. So we like to know what you actually want. We don't want to be making videos just for the sake of making videos. It's not connecting to you guys.
Yeah, we want to get your feedback in the comment section.
Yeah, comments.
Comment section.
Not WhatsApp, you know.
Not WhatsApp. Not Facebook.
Not Insta.
The comment section.
That's what it's there for.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, and YouTube, you know, them kind of give with video a little push when them see that persons are interacting. Also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I will have some more video options for you at the end of this.
Yeah,
Bye guys.